my objective of this session is to show how to create trust in organizations. Also, basically after the crisis, some organizations have been damaged in terms of the trusting relationships inside the organization. And then I'm going to basically say that in order to regain trust, you need to work at two levels. At the level of the management system, so what are your objectives, how these objectives are linked to your mission, purpose. You have to regain that, because for 2 years or so, it seems many companies have been trying to just survive, and just they kind of lost their purpose for a while. They just have to regain that again. And then obviously not just the system, but also the leadership. And so what are the key behaviors that leaders need to show in this specific moment to regain the trust of their subordinates?